All right, so enough of this now. We got enough background. Let's go and run the job. So again, in the job, we're in this job. We're getting all of the customers. We hit this, import customers. Now we made a log entry. It's the only one there. So that's the only job. So the QuickBooks Web Connector is going to do its 2-minute run. We're getting everything. That's why we're using this from modified date 1984. You'll see this XML too. These are just those things. But without further ado, let's run the job. We're going to run it manually, of course. It's going to be auto run. And you can see we're going back and forth. Okay, we're done now. So I can also go here to go to the app. Did we get any customers? Okay, so we got the customers. All right, so we got all these customers. You can see there's a lot of customers that are, anytime you have a, I'll go over this. Anytime you have a colon in a customer name, this only goes for customer, not vendor, not employee. You have a sub-customer. You can go up to 5 levels deep, I believe. Hopefully you're never going more than 2. That would be I've never seen more than 2. And, okay, so that's that. We got them all in. Let's go look at some of the XML in our log, not the Web Connector log. So I'm going to go over, here's the app I'm running. And let's just go full screen here. So I'm going to go full screen at Tmux. Let me go into copy mode. Okay, you know, it's not going to be that. All right, well, yeah, because we're getting like, I'm just looking at this response is huge. It's not very readable, is it? So, let's look at this. This looks more readable. Maybe we can look at, because what I really need to show you is the iterator. Not so much the XML you get back. So, okay, this is a better looking XML of what you're going to get back. And it can be pretty big too. That's why sometimes you want to turn this off too. Yeah, like this is like too big for me to show. I'm actually going to run out of space because my Tmux scrolling only goes to a few thousand. And all right, you know what? I really need to show and teach the query and show how you need to do these iterated queries. I mean, not so much the response. You're going to understand the response when you do a query. Like we're doing a customer query here, and we're just getting back a bunch of, here's the XML. Like we're getting back a bunch of this stuff, and you need to map the full name to your database and all that. So let me focus instead on the request that I made in particular. And let me just see if we got a better story over here. Now I'm in the QB SDK log. And I'm just going to look at the iterator. And, you know, I don't have enough space here in the log to scroll. Okay, I'm going to punt offline and get a better story for looking at the QBXML request, iterator request, and how that works.